Good morning, fam. Coach Nate. The fact that you're here right now, that matters. It means you chose energy over excuses, movement over stiffness. If you've been waking up with tight shoulders, rounded posture, or your core just feels dormant, this flow is exactly what your body needs. In just 5 minutes, we're going to open your chest, activate your core, and align your posture from the inside out. One of these moves will release shoulder tension you didn't even realize you were carrying. Another will quietly light up your core without a single crunch. Most people stretch to feel good, but forget to connect the dots between stability and flexibility. Today, we're doing both. And don't skip the final 2 moves. They'll challenge your coordination, focus, and balance. And the payoff? You'll walk away stronger, lighter, and more alive. Let's hit the mat. Let's start by creating space where most of us feel most compressed, right across the chest. Stand tall or kneel. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Pull your knuckles down and back. Lift your chest as you soften the ribs and breathe. Stretch through your pecs, biceps, and front shoulders. I promise this move will open your posture, improve your breathing, and undo hours you've spent curled forward. Beginners, use a towel or strap between your hands. Advanced stretches, add a forward hinge as arms lift for a deeper stretch. Tight pecs can actually pull your shoulders forward and down, weakening your core over time. Can you pull your hands 1 inch further and hold for 5 seconds longer? Are you clenching your jaw or lifting your shoulders? Relax both. Let the chest rise instead. That just lifted your posture. Now let's lengthen the side body. This stretch connects your shoulders to your hips and fires up the obliques you need to hold yourself tall throughout the day. Start kneeling. Extend your right leg out to the side. Right hand resting on your thigh. Reach overhead, leaning toward your left side. Lengthening from hip to fingertips. Swing your right arm gently, keeping your chest open and your breath fluid. I promise the stretch will unlock tight obliques, free your rib cage, and support stronger, more aligned movement. Beginners, keep the hand on your thigh. Advanced stretches, reach further or add a gentle pulse at the bottom. This sets up better posture control in the next move. You'll feel it activate. Can you stay in the reach for 5 seconds and keep your breath smooth? Do you feel it through your ribs or hip? If not, lift the chest and reach higher. That just turned on your side body. Let's complete the alignment. This stretch evens out the oblique system and prepares your body for rotation, balance, and breath. Extend your left leg out to the side. Lift hand on your thigh, reach it overhead, stretching long. Keep the ribs stacked and the hips stable, and gently swing your arm. I promise this move will balance your trunk, activate lateral strength, and create flow between your upper body and lower body. Beginners, light hand pressure, short reach. Advanced stretches, longer hold, a deeper reach. Here's a fun fact. Your side body impacts your ability to breathe deeply and recover faster from physical and mental stress. Try not to collapse into the side. Reach up, then over. Hold, breathe. Can you match the depth and length of the right side? That just centered your body. Now let's fire up the core. This move might look simple, but it works muscles you feel long after the stretch ends. Start on the tabletop, extend your right arm forward and left leg back. Keep your hips square and your core tight. Hold, then return and repeat. You're gonna feel tension through your glute, shoulder, and deep abdominals. I promise this move will train balance, reinforce posture, and ignite your core without a single crunch. Haha, pun intended. Beginners, keep foot lower to the ground. Advanced stretches, add a pause and hold at full extension. This cross-body movement activates the deep stabilizers your spine depends on throughout the day. Hold the extension for 5 more seconds without shifting your hips. Are your hips tilting? Reset and find alignment. That's where strength lives. That just fired up your right side chain. Let's light up the left. This is your finishing move and your final opportunity to train movement that carries into everything else you do. Extend left arm and right leg. Keep the body square, core engaged. Squeeze glutes, reach fingers forward. Reset slowly and repeat. I promise this final move will challenge your coordination, lock in your posture, and leave you more stable than when you started. Beginners, keep the foot low and hand lightly grounded. Advanced stretches, try adding a crunch under the body before extending. Can you balance at full extension and breathe for 5 more seconds? Can you feel both sides of your body working together? That's the connection we're building. That just sealed in your core activation and shoulder stability in just 5 minutes. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.